Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unmute, post stories, and notes for a specific person on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit that magnifying glass icon to open up. Search and then just search for some username. Let it to be that user. And the next you should do is hit right here, where it says following, where you can easily find that mute option. You can tap on that as you can see. I have already muted dead users, boss stories and nods. And in order to unmute boss stories and nods, all you have to do is just to hit add that switcher to toggle off all that options. Or you can, for example, keep a stories muted or post muted, or you can completely toggle them off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.